Homeostatic imbalance occurs when the body's feedback systems fail to work effectively. Failure of these feedback systems can result from genetic mutations, infections, lifestyle choices, environmental factors, and aging. As a result, the body's internal environment becomes less stable, and various physiological processes can become dysregulated. When homeostatic imbalance occurs, it can lead to a wide range of diseases and health conditions, dependent on which aspect of homeostasis is disrupted. Diabetes, for example, is a chronic medical condition characterised by high levels of glucose or sugar in the blood. It occurs when the body's ability to regulate blood glucose is impaired. In type 1 diabetes, the immune system mistakenly attacks and destroys the insulin-producing cells in the pancreas, so that when an individual with type 1 diabetes eats a meal and their blood glucose levels go up, they must inject an external source of insulin to bring their blood glucose levels back down. In this feedback system, the receptor and the control centre are working effectively, but the effector, which is the pancreas, cannot produce the outcome or the insulin required. Another example of homeostatic imbalance leading to disease is osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is a disruption in the balance between bone resorption and bone formation. Bone resorption is the process by which bone tissue is broken down and absorbed into the body, where bone formation is building that bone tissue back up. When bone resorption occurs more quickly than bone formation, the bone tissue becomes porous, brittle, and weak, and the risk of fracture increases. An example of homeostatic imbalance that becomes more prevalent with aging is dehydration. As we age, our receptors become less efficient and our ability to sense that we are thirsty diminishes. In this scenario, although our control centre and our effector may still be working effectively, if we don't know we are thirsty, we will not be moved to have a drink. The risk of dehydration also tends to increase as we get older due to decreased appetite, difficulty swallowing, and decreased kidney function.